Hi kids, this week on our second farming episode, what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to be learning to karate chop the kangaroos. Beautiful kids, before we get into learning our karate chop, before we get into karate chopping kangaroos, let's get started. Feet together and bow. 3 big claps. Beautiful. Big circles, round we go. 1, 2, it's gonna be a fast warm up. 5, bang, backwards, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lovely. Awesome kids, all right, outstanding. Now, we've got to learn our karate chop today. Please understand that when we're karate chopping the kangaroos, we're not actually gonna hurt the kangaroos. Some kangaroos know how to box, they know how to fight. All right, so what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be having a bit of a fight or a spar, which is like a pretend fight, a practice fight with the kangaroos. And what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to use our guard for when they box us. And then we're gonna have to use our chops, boom, bang, to chop them, all right? We're gonna need to hit them with 10 chops, so you gotta make sure that chop's really good. Now, you remember your lower strike. Hand comes up on your shoulder, down, other hand back to your hip. A chop is very similar, except rather than my hand being closed like in a fist, we open it, like this. So put your hand on your shoulder, and then all we're gonna do is go straight across, like where your neck is, boom, like that. Hand still comes back to your hip, but you can open your hand this time. So my hand comes on top, chop across, pull back to your hip. Cool, let's go again. Hand comes on top, chop across, pull back to your hip. Again, hand on your shoulder, chop across, pull back to your hip. Awesome, righto. Now the second chop that we're gonna be doing, so we've got 1, that's our first one, is on top. Bang, like this. So we're gonna be going on top of their heads, down. Now, it'd be like doing a hammer fist like in our Thor video. If you wanna go and watch the Thor video, the link's here, so you can go and watch that Thor video. Boom, down like that, okay? But, hand open, okay? Pretty much the same thing. So hand comes over like you're pulling an axe out of your back, or maybe you're a bow and arrow shooter. Boom, and you're pulling that arrow back. But it's bang, chopping down on top of the head, okay? Nice and quick, let's go through that 5 times. Hand over, pretend that you've got the axe, you're pulling an arrow out, boom, chop down on top. Let's keep it as the axe. Bang, chop down on top. Again, boom, chop down on top. Faster now. Bang, down on top. One more. Boom, down on top. Good. All right, cool. So we've got those 2 chops. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our first kangaroo. This one's a joey, so this is a baby kangaroo. It's just our warm up. And what we've got to do is hit it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That counts as 1 hit, so we've got to do 3 of those. So see the little joey, baby kangaroo? It's got its life up there. Every time you hit it, you're gonna see the health drop. Now, if it tries to punch us, we have to use our guard, okay? If it punches us, we're gonna start dying as well. So you've got your health there. So make sure you use that guard if the punches come in. Right, let's move those feet, Ready? All right, let's go for the first one. So we go chop 1, boom, chop 2, bang, on top, boom, good. Right, I'll shift those feet, guard, boom, nice. Gotta hit him 2 more times. Chop, bang, chop, on top, boom, good. Oh, you got us. Oh, you got us again. Keep that guard up. Hit us twice. We've hit him twice. Don't get hit again. Go. Chop, boom. Yeah, beautiful. Give me a high five. Pop, boom. We beat the little joey. Now, our challenge is a little bit harder. We've got to beat its mum. And its mum's big. A big grey kangaroo. All right, so we're gonna be fighting this nice big kangaroo. Make sure you're moving your feet now. The guard's even more important this time. We've got more health now, we've got full health. So the kangaroo's got full health. It's gonna be stronger, it's gonna be harder. So we're gonna try a few ki-eyes with this. We're gonna go 1, 2, ki-eye on that last one. Be nice and powerful and then guard up straight away. All right, let's move around, see how you go. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, ki-eye, guard. Good, protected that one, that was good, beautiful. Again, ki-eye, oh, you got it. Oh, make sure you get that guard up, We've hit him twice, he's hit us once. But we look like we're dying fast, he's pretty strong. Hit him again, go. Boom! Boom, good, guard. Nice. Keep that guard up, hold your guard strong. Go. Yeah, good guard. Keep nice and loud, Last one, be loud, be scary, be strong, go. Guard. Oh, he's still going. We need one more. You gotta be louder, you gotta be stronger. Go. Beautiful, well done kids. High five. Pop. Boom. Outstanding effort, you've done really, really well. All right, so we learned how to karate chop the kangaroos today. Next week, we've got another farm animal episode up for you. So make sure you tune into that. If you want to keep going, watch this episode. If you want something different, watch this. Make sure you like the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Whoa guys, just before you go, if you guys want to do more training with me, grab your parents. You can come along and do my 6-week yellow belt program right now. All you have to do is click the link below this video, get your parents to have a read through it, and if they're happy and you're happy and you want to come and do some more training with me, we've got a whole bunch of videos and courses lined up for you ready to go. Now in this yellow belt program, what you're going to do is you're going to meet my dog Jack. With my dog Jack, what's happened? His 6 puppies were stolen by the evil Killery Nastier. Now, what we have to do on our journey to get you your yellow belt is we have to go and save Jack's 6 puppies. In doing so, each week we're going to come up against different challenges. You're going to learn different strikes. We're going to play a ton of games. You're going to have so much fun. At the end of it, if you help us save Jack's 6 puppies, you get your yellow belt. Click the link below. Let your parents have a read and see if it's something that you might be interested in doing, but I'd love to have you come and help us save Jack's 6 puppies. All right guys, leave it there. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you in the yellow belt course. Bye.